Namaste, welcome back to the Practitioner channel and welcome back to another episode of AWS Card Clash. I hope you are enjoying it. Let's do our level 5 architecture design today, and it's going to be about serverless file conversion. So we are going to build a serverless architecture. We already did a serverless architecture, but that's about API calls, and triggering lambda, etc. So this is going to be about converting markdown files to HTML and then persist them after performing a sentiment analysis. And the services that we are going to use are Comprehend, DynamoDB Lambda, S3, SNS, SQS, and as usual, we'll have IAM as our security card. So let's look at this. Yeah, we are seeing a lot of serverless services, and trust me, even in real time in your projects, people are going to use a lot of serverless services. Oh, good for us, it's our turn, first turn. And if we go through the architecture here, we have the file which we'll upload. So obviously it is going to go to S3, which is an object storage, right? And then you are going to have SNS for the notification. I think here S3 event notifications will send it to the SNS. Then SNS is going to send it to SQS here. And for the sentiment analysis, I think it is going to send it to Lambda. And Lambda is going to use maybe sentiment analysis either. What is this? This is a file, right? Comprehend, I guess. It's going to trigger comprehend. And if you come here, again, this is going to be a Lambda. If I'm not wrong, I guess this is going to be another. Oh, this is SQS, again Lambda, S3. I think this will be a database NoSQL, which is going to be DynamoDB. So we got it, right? Let's see. Now I got nice cloud formation +3. Thank you. File system. I don't think we are using file system anywhere. File. What is this file? Object storage. This is a file system. It's not an object store. So eliminate it. And then let's see, 3 is what? SNS. So let's go ahead and use that and let's protect it. And even though I can place S3, I guess, here, but I don't want to because I cannot protect it. So I will still keep these two just for safekeeping. All right, let's look at them, what they are going to do. Okay, 6. They always get plenty of energy. See? Okay, he didn't protect it. We got a chance to steal it. I hope we will get energy. Not bad. Always try to steal his. Yes, we are going to spend more energy than required, but he loses points, we gain points. That is more important. So it's like doubling the points. Lambda, we would need it plenty of times. EC2, we don't need it for the solution, so scrap it. I think Miss Gorilla is ready to attack. Let's see what. Oh, Lambda, he plays Lambda. We can steal that based on our energy cards, I guess. Come on, Miss Gorilla, hit it. Oh yes, I like this. And I will steal that as well. He will be very mad, like I'm stealing all his. Um, yes, we would be needing lambdas, but I will just scrap it. It's because this is a common service, you will get it. I have plenty of cards, 50 cards. Okay, now come on, Miss Gorilla. Hit it. Hit. Come on, hit it. Yes. Ha ha ha. He lost it. AI is not planning that. Oh my god, he didn't give me any energy. Okay, I don't need EC2. I can place comprehend, but I don't have any protection. He doesn't have that much. I don't think he will steal it. So let's place it. What? Let's hope in our next round we'll get it. I think I can scrap. It's okay. Let's leave it. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. Yeah, see, SQS, that's a common card. If I placed, he would have stolen it. Oh my god, come on, give me. No protection. Miss Gorilla, don't attack. I don't want this. SQS, I'm getting too many. So, you know what? Let's scrap everything. Come on, Miss Gorilla, don't give me one more round. Oh my goodness, he has like too much energy, man. If he got a comprehend, we are done. Not now, not now. Next round, next round. Thank you. Oh no, no protection service again. What is going to happen? Miss Gorilla, she's going to strike. She's going to strike that. I don't want to place anything right now. We can ignore this one because we have 2, 3 places. Um, Even though we would need this, I'm not going to play. You might be thinking, why are you not playing? Okay, let's play this because Miss Gorilla is going to only destroy one service of ours. So I'm hoping he will destroy this, not that. So let's end the turn. I know Miss Gorilla is going to strike now. Oh, not now. Oh, he stole mine? Yes, thank you. Oh no, mine, this will get destroyed and this is already gone. That is very bad. We'll almost lost like 3. Why? Oh, he's that gone. Okay. See, when he got a chance, he stole it. I can place this, but my question is like, I'm not getting security cards for some reason. We already placed SNS. I don't need this SQS. Let's place it. The thing is, he will steal ours. Even though there is another SQS slot, he will steal ours. Oh, he got a database. Okay, nice. Go there, go there, go here. I don't need this array. I should have stole that and then protected it. That's fine. Conversion queue. If I had SQS, I would have won this game. Yeah, place this. Place it. We will win easily. See, he will place it. And we won, and we will get 3 stars. So this is the architecture. As you can see, when you upload the files to S3, S3 event notification will send that notification to SNS. And we have 2 queues that are subscribed to this SNS, which will receive these notifications. And then they will be queued in SQS. And then from there, SQS will trigger the Lambda, and where Lambda is going to send that data to comprehend to do the sentiment analysis, and then we are going to store those sentiment analysis results to DynamoDB. And in here, in this second flow, SQS is going to convert, send it to Lambda, and Lambda is going to do the conversion, and then the converted file is stored in S3. So let's hit the summary. Again, 2 times I hit 71, so 3 stars definitely. Yes. And we spent a whooping 28 energy, and he or she spent 18. I don't know. Fouls, we didn't do. Obviously, A won't do, and we never did fouls. Fouls is something like if you place the wrong service card for instead of S3, if you place EFS or something, then it's a foul. You will lose your energy. I never did it, but you can see I stole his cards 3 times. He stole mine 1. So that's about this particular level. I hope you enjoyed this, where we have used multiple serverless services, and we have reached level 5 and implemented the conversion and sentiment analysis. If you enjoyed, give a thumbs up to the video by liking, commenting, and subscribing to this channel. And all the best for your exam in case if you're writing any AWS certification. And have a great day. See you in the next video. Peace out.